The province kitchen. Still kicking.
Where is love?
This is how they do it in the province, in Bohol. Fresh chicken.
Mumbai na. Tungguan ba ko na relo. Pitay na ginoo. Karong. Ato na dito ibutang saog. Idagno na ako dito buwan, yung tubig.
What's in the pot?
Coke,
Pork?
pork.
Pork,
Pork, okay.
yeah, but the other one is for the chicken.
Pork.
The rice is newly
Napa?
harvest.
Tunga-tunga lang.
So we're having a fresh chicken and newly harvested rice
Yeah.
in the province.
I
This
do
is
like
a
that.
It's dead now. Sorted in the province. Province kitchen. Out in the open. There you go. Everything's been prepared. Fresh vegetables, tomatoes. You've got the ingredients is down there.
Hey, ano ba chili ulit? Ano ka ulit? Oh, here. Here. The chicken is already no more.
Feathers. Hey, you come to see what's happened. So just finishing off, cleaning off the feathers of the chicken.
Chicken nyo is a native.
It's native.
Yeah, it's very delicious than the other one that
Yeah,
we.
I have native chicken before. It's nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's better to cook a native. You see how to die because you will clean it very.
Yeah.
Hello! Hi!
Ah, itan sa huda.
Asa? Unsa man maulit lang sin. Oh, ingon mo sin. Ulit sila. Laban sila. Dalawan mo lang. Dalawan. Pakyaw. Ha? Dili og mag-ulan, dili na ma-ulan ng tubig. Ulan.
Very clean. Correct.
No, this not will not to cook the head.
Not to cook the head, yeah. Chicken killed, plucked, washed, and now it's time for seasoning, then cooking.
I will slice. Hindi sabaw mo, bro.
That is cool. Mosquitoes, huh?
Yeah, many mosquito. Finish.
Finish chopping. Finish chopping.
We will wash it tightly.
That's it. Finish chopping the chicken up. Now they're gonna wash it again.
So that it's very clean.
That's important. You always gotta wash your meat to make sure it's clean. Some people don't wash their meat. Wash it again. Wash it once. Wash it twice. Wash it 3 times.
Last one.
Last one.
Ano nang kuan daw itong tubil ba?
Tatay, tatay, tatay,
You will mano-mano. You will tie hook. You will tie hook. Atay ah. Atay ah. Now, there's blower ah. No tie hook. It's amazing, yes?
Nice some seasoning.
Cooking oil.
Oil.
Manyupil mo?
Do you have pre-range chicken there?
Where? Needs a chicken? No.
No, need chicken.
No.
Only in the poultry chicken.
Yeah,
the,
also
the farm. But in the province, what? Some
No.
chicken.
There's chickens, but they're on the farm. They kill them on the farm, then they sell them to the
So
supermarket.
no chicken in the pre-range. And then in the backyard chicken.
No. We got some
Yeah. Look,
ginger, onion,
Garlic.
garlic.
first of all, you will put the garlic.
Garlic, yeah. The garlic is the flavor of the oil.
After the garlic, the onion. Then, last, the ginger. Ted, tanglad. Bunlut. Lemongrass. We will put it on lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Yeah,
I got lemongrass, fresh lemongrass
yeah.
in the backyard. There you go.
Backyard, lemongrass.
Yeah.
You wash it carefully so that it will not dirty.
The lemongrass.
For this is the next, the chicken.
Hindi ko ito yung dalag ng kaya ito yung limitang gawin ko.
Ilang?
Ilang din. May dagang bibiro sa lang rin.
Just leave it to cook now.
After that, we'll put a mineral water. Oh, it will. Flop. Tanay mo duwa ang super race. Unsay dawagan na kung kamunggay mo gawas. Kana mo duwa ang super race. Unsay tawagan ang kamunggay. Flop na siya, flop. Then it will boil, so very. Sige pa kasunod mo, no? Mapas pa.
You see?
It's a potato.
No, kung sa English yun ang kuhan ba? Sa yuti ba? Looks like papaya ba? The one we'll put it in the
Yum.
jam? Yeah.
Is it yum?
Te, unsa kina sa yuti? Unsa kina sa yuti? I-google ko na bi, i-google.
Yum?
It seems like for kind of vegetables. But we will put
Ted, paano ko itong tasa? Pau? Pasabaw?
Alright.
I'll put hand sanitizer on this now.
Para di mo lahos ang kuwan ba? Di mo lahos, di kang gawas ang ganang iyong lamas ba? Ikaw labi. Ikaw rin, manjubilo ba? Manjubilo na doon. Ako pas nakamahal ka mo lang hiwa sa lamas. Ted, paano ko itong tasa? Pau? Pasabaw?
Alright.
I'll put hand sanitizer on this now.
Ilaan nito na nili.
Vlog, vlog, vlog.
Oh, ginagawa.
Ingon siya kinay, hinahinayan lang ko niya.
Ano? Upat man to kakulapo.
Kaya mo tayo, hindi sa gulo. Ikuha ni, balin na ni.
Paborito na?
Created.
Nya to anak dito nga nag-grant og visa kay promote.
Pinapasagdaan naman.
Nag-inusara hinuno.
Ang iyong hukik, iupaw nga, baka upaw nga, makuwangan.
That was dinner in the province. Cooked by the boys.
We will cook again a rice because
Cook again the rice because there's more rice left.
the driver and the chief cook is no more eating.